How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over the best interior lighting setups using our Raptor visor light bar and our Striker and Virtue traffic advisors. So for example here, I brought our Raptor TIR in an amber color model and a Striker 6 TIR in an amber color model as well. And to control these, I'm using our GranDirect Control Box. So my Raptor will plug into the Grand side, and my Striker traffic advisor will plug into the direct side here. And then I have my power button here for my Grand side, which will activate my visor bar. And then I'll have my power button here to activate my traffic advisor. So I can get front advisory and back advisory all off of one switch box. And then I have my other power modes, so mode 2 on my Raptor visor bar, and then mode 2 on my Striker traffic advisor. I can activate those off of my GranDirect control. And then also on my Striker traffic advisor, I do have my traffic advising flash patterns here, which I can activate from center out, left, right, and right, left. And then I have my slow to fast function as well. And again, that works whether I'm in my traffic advisor or whether I'm in one of my morning modes, either mode 1 or mode 2. And then I have my pattern changer here to select my different flash patterns. And then I have my night mode button here, which will activate the backlight LEDs on my switch box. I'll go ahead and switch over to mode 1 here on my Raptor. So you'll see here that you have full functionality using our Raptor visor bar with our Striker and Virtue traffic advisors paired with our GranDirect Control Box. And this was an amber color model, for example, but we do offer these lights in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating for our TIR series. Now let's go ahead and go over our multicolor linear Raptor and multicolor linear Virtue 8 traffic advisor. So here I brought our multicolor Raptor linear in a red, blue, clear color combination and our multicolor Virtue 8 in a red, blue, amber color combination. So go ahead and activate my Raptor visor bar here. And I have mode 1 activated. And same thing here, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 flashing modes on my Raptor visor bar. And then you have your TD button here, which will activate your 2 takedown lights in steady burn. And then over here you have your direct control side where you'll have your power button with your mode 1 and mode 2 warning patterns there, along with your traffic advisor from center out, left, right, and right, left. And then you also have your pattern changer, your night mode button there to activate your backlight LEDs, and you can activate your night mode via cable if you would like to hardwire your night mode as well. And then you'll have your aux buttons here where you can add up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of one switch box. So again, our Raptor paired with our Striker and Virtue traffic advisors and paired with our GranDirect Control Box would be a perfect interior setup covering the front and rear of your vehicle. And then with the 2 aux buttons, you do have the opportunity to add Z surface mounts or any other extra lights up to 10 amps per switch on our GranDirect Control Box. So this would be perfect to run a Raptor visor bar off the Grand side and then run a Striker Virtue traffic advisor off the direct side. And then say you wanted to add Z surface mounts to your license plates, you could activate your front license plates from your aux button here, and then your back license plate lights off of your aux button here, all off of one switch box. So this will give you full functionality and full vehicle coverage. So when it comes to the color options, you'll have plenty of options using our TIR in our single, dual, or alternating color setups there, or our multicolor linear modules where they'll flash multicolor in their primary and secondary color combinations. And again, we have both of those models, TIR and multicolor linear, in amber, red, blue, green, and clear for any application. So make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demos, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.